Okay, for this video, I'll do question 3. So question 3 will use the scenario worksheet. So make sure that you click on scenario, and then what we do is we're going to set up data ranges. So okay, E21, E25, E21, E25. All these we're going to give a name called prices. So come here, you type in PRICES, and make sure you press enter key. All right. Then the next one, G13, G17, G13, G17. Oh, this here, we can call it dollar sales. So come here, DOLARSALES. No space allowed. So dollar sales. Alright. The next one, G18, G18, we call it total sales. Okay, the next one, select E21, E25. Okay, 25. And then click the create from selection. So you go to your formula, and this one, create from selection. Okay, when this comes out, you make sure it's left column and name, you say okay. All right, you get it. Now there are some students using Mac computer where you don't have these create names from selection. So if that's the case, you would kind of can't open this. So what you do is you come to this one here and key in the name Adidas. All right, you do yourself. So this one I'm keying Adidas. ADIDAS. Right? Enter. The next one I call it ASIC. ASICS. Enter. Next one, New Balance. Okay, New Balance. Now you can either leave a blank or you can use underscore. No blank or underscore. Now I use underscore. Okay, then your Nike. NIKE. Enter. Then this one, Reebok. Reebok. Okay. Now once you do that, you can click this one to see whether have you done correctly. This will be 8 names. This 1, 2, 3, and 5, 8. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is all correct. Alright, so we can do question B. Now here you say using the data ranges set in A above and the senior manager create a reduced price scenario. So you go to your data, click on what if, and we choose scenario. And here we're going to add one scenario. Now this scenario we're going to call it reduce prices. So this is reduce prices. Now this is a label, so you can have blank down here. Okay, what we're going to do, this one is reduce label. We want to set new prices. So the dollar set running through if reduce prices. So these are the value that we have to change. This one you have to say changing all this. You change all this. Okay, between each and 25. All right. So once you do that, you click OK. You okay. You ask you what is the new price for Adidas. New price for Adidas is 90. So 90. All right. Then you can use a key. Go to the next one. For ASIC is 100. Okay, this one 100. And again become 10. Again become 120. 120. Again, this one is 125. Okay, so we finish the scenario for reduce prices. So we say okay. So next one, we are going to use sales manager and create increase prices. All right. So same thing here. You say add. The name is increase prices, and we are going to pin E21 E25. So this one no pin. E25. So we say okay. So what are the new values? New values is down here. The first one is 110. So again 10. Again, next one is 135. 135. Again 150. Again 170. Again 195. This one 195. Okay, so these are the prices we have. Right? 110, 135, 150, 170, and 195. Okay, so finish. You say okay. So next one, you say use scenario manager and create a summary scenario. String 3 different scenarios of current values. Now, then your reduce prices and your increase prices. All right. So this is your current. We have reduced increase. So you just say you want a summary. Okay, this summary. Now, what is our result cell? Right here, the result cell is a total sales. So result cell, you use total sales. This one, this is total sale, total sale as a result cell. So you say, okay, so this is our senior summary. You have your current, reduce, increase, and current is $3.725125. Reduce prices, your total sales will be 3,095,000. Increase prices, you manage 4 million plus. So this is correct. Okay, so the next question says, make a copy of the senior worksheet and name the new worksheet future sales. So you have to go to your scenario. Okay, this one here. Move the summary sheet to after the senior sheet. So we have to move this one here. Okay, so you have senior summary. Then you make a copy of the senior worksheet. Give the name future sales. So become here. This one here. I'm going to move or copy. What you want is you want a copy. Copy what? A copy of your scenario. Make a copy of scenario. Alright, you say okay. So now be a scenario 2. Scenario 2, you can call this future sales. So this one, you call it future sales. Okay, future sales. Okay, so future sales, this one, we use this future sales. This is future sales. This is scenario. Scenario, we go and don't touch it. We use future sales. Future sales, use solver to find the prices to be charged for each brand of shoes in sale E21 to E25. If the total sales in sale G18 is set at 4.5 million. Okay, the constraints are as follows. So this one here, you go to data and use solver. Okay, use solver. Alright, solver come out. Okay, so what is our objective? The objective is basically 4.5 million. So this 4,500. Okay, you can use comma to make sure that it is 4.5 million. Okay, so okay, sorry, on this one. This one is you want to set your this total say. Set total say to value of 4.5 or 4.5 million. Okay, so this is our the top part now. The objective is basically we want to set G18 to 4.5 million. Then by what? By changing the prices. So here, changing the various cells. These are we want to allow solver to change all these prices. Okay, change the prices of all our shoes. So it says that solver to find prices to be charged for each brand of shoes. All right, E21, E25. So this is the variable cells that we want the value to be changed. Okay, so we have constraint. The first constraint is that prices for Adidas and Asics should be less than or equal to $199. So you say add. Okay. Now first constraint, we want to make sure that the price you charge for this Adidas. So this is the price of Adidas. This one should be less than or equal to 199. So less than equal to 199. Okay, this is for constraint. The price for Adidas, this one. Don't choose this cell. So this one E should be E21. Should be less than equal to 199. So this is first constraint. Okay, we will add another constraint. The next constraint is we want to make sure that Asics plus Asics. So this plus Asics also should be less than equal to 199. Alright, so we get that and we do the next one. Next one is we say prices of Nike and Reebok should be more than or equal to 199. So this one you come here. This one you want to choose Nike. This one don't choose this. This one Nike E24. Okay, you see here Nike E24. This one you have to change to greater or equal to 199. Right? Then be another one. One is your Reebok. Should be more than or equal to 199. So we change this to more equal to 199. Okay, there are only 4 constraints. Then we finish, we can say okay. And then we can check and see whether we are right or wrong. Adidas less equal to 199, Asics less equal to 199, Nike greater equal to 199, Reebok greater equal to 199. Okay, so this is correct. We can solve. Solve. Okay, it will tell us, yes, I find a solution. In fact, change for us already. So here be accept, right? Okay, in this solver, we do not set integer constraint. Why? Because some Mac computer, the integer constraint does not work, and therefore to make sure that everybody can do the practice and the test correctly, we will not impose an integer constraint. So that's why we allowed these prices to be in dollar and cents. All right. So that's it. This is the end of the test. Okay. So I'll stop the video here.